Hi, welcome to Civil Connection channel. Now we are going to see about AutoCAD. While opening a new AutoCAD, there will be opening a dialog box. In that, we used to have a number of uh, templates. This is AutoCAD. We used to open in AutoCAD. What is this AutoCAD? We have never thought of this. This is a template. Okay, it is created in AutoCAD software automatically. So we can also create such type of templates so that we can use that same templates for a number of documents, that is AutoCAD files, which is of what we have usually drawing. It may be in meters or feet. Will be continuously will be drawing in that type of formats. Then we'll be dimensioning. If we are drawing in meters, and the dimension should be of particularly will be clear according to our drawing. So in that way we can frame the format. So here we shall start with AutoCAD. It is default template, and we can create our new template by there is here usually will be having a grid pattern. In the first starting, we can remove this grid pattern. I have removed this grid pattern by just clicking this model grid off, or you can use F7. Then I shall use this unit command. The starting you shall use unit command. Sorry, units. So here I shall use meters, and this is type is decimal, and precision we shall use 0.00, and decimal degrees, angle it is degrees. You can choose clockwise. Okay, I shall use clockwise. Then I shall give OK. Then we shall use limits 0,0 and 100, that is 270, 410. Then I shall change some dimension style. So DIMS, this dimension style. Here I need the same type of, so I can modify with something. There is, what are the methods I can use here? Here lines I can use by layer. Okay, or you can use this by red color lines. This depends upon this diagram what are the type of drawing we need. Some may use this, and I can hide this. Okay, hidden layer can use hidden lines and symbols. That is arrow marks. Here I can use closed. Number of arrow marks will be here. Sorry, number of different shapes of arrows. So there is two types here. First starting point, and then second. You can choose in this way. Second you can choose the closed, but usually will not use as per standard. So I shall use both as same closed, blank, and for leader also I shall use this type of. I shall use dot here. Okay, arrow size I shall choose as 0.2 or 0.2 I shall use, because I am drawing in meters. Center marks, here it is circle we are using. That is if you need a central mark you can use it. If it is not specified, the central mark will be removed. Okay, if you need, you can use line. I shall use this mark itself. Mark I shall specify by 0.1. Okay, dimension break, this is dimension break, this is. Then text size, text is annotative, we should usually write with annotative. And layer, I shall write it at blue color. Okay, sorry, it is here. I shall choose black itself. That is bilayer. What are the bilayer color I'm using? That is it should be used. Fill color. If you use here fill color, the text will be filled with these colors. So here I shall use yellow. This text is filled with yellow. So you can see here I shall use none. Okay, this is the fill color here. Also dimension height, it is can change to 5. This is constant values. Then text placement, usually we used to place in the center. So it is placed in the center, and then it should be horizontal. If it is, that is as per standard, as per our ISO standard, it should be placed at the center. Then it should be read from left to right. So view from left to right, alignment with dimension line. So text alignment it is should be horizontal, or you can use ISO standard. Okay, and then it should be fitted with inside the arrow. Text what should be fitted? It will be arrow should be fitted. You can use arrow should be fitted, or text should be fitted. Okay, it depends. You can check this. What should be fitted inside? Both text and arrow should be fitted inside. It should be like this. Either text or any one should be fitted inside. So if it is arrow, it can be fitted inside. In this way it will be. If it is arrow should be fitted. Okay. Or text. If it text is comfortable, the text will be fitted and arrow will be fitted inside. Okay. Then primary unit, secondary unit, you shall usually see this in properties. So I shall choose here precision should be it is 0.00. Okay, decimal value. And I shall suppress this trailing 0. It is not necessary if it is for that. So I shall suppress the trailing 0. Similarly for angular also I shall suppress this trailing 0. Okay, so alternate dimension also similarly, but alternate dimension we shall not use it. Then tolerance values we shall give okay. Here I have modified everything given, and I shall close it. Okay, now we shall verify this, what is comfortable for us, whether it is comfortable for us. I shall draw a circle. Okay, and some lines. So I shall see the dimensioning here. Here first linear, this linear dimension, it's not visible since it is very large length, so it's not visible for us. So I shall modify it here. Here we shall change the dimension style of this as DIM dimension style. So here I shall modify the height of the text as 2. So this visible for us, that's all. I shall not extend this as very high, so that we will be comfortable with that. There is 1, and mark I shall give it as 1. This according to my drawing, it is changed according to my drawing. Similarly in the leader command also I shall change, I need to change the text height. So here leader, it is dot I have mentioned. So arrow size it is okay. Break size I shall also, we shall change this 1. Okay, and offset dimension it is also 1. Okay, fit, everything is okay. Scale for dimension features, so overall scale it is 1. Okay, it is for layout. When fixing in the layout, you need to change this. I have been okay. Then place text manually. Draw dimension line between extension lines. Yeah, give it as okay. See here. Okay, you can see this difference here. I shall give okay and close. Now I shall can see this difference. That is text difference. Similarly, we shall check the alignment dimensions. Aligned dimension. There is angular dimension. So here it is. It should be placed at the center. So I don't know whether I have correctly specified. So I shall check it. Dimension style. Horizon text should be at the center. Okay. Our text alignment, it is as per ISO, so it is it have modified. I shall specify it as horizontal. Okay, so it is horizontal, it is placed horizontal. Similarly for circle, we shall use this radius or diameter. I shall use diameter. Okay, if you are using for here, if I used between extension lines, draw between extension lines, so the dimension will be marked in this way, from here this point to this point. It will be between these dimension lines. So I have modified, that is verified this this one. Okay, these are this there is texting documents, how we are going to write this. Okay, now I shall similarly can check the header. It is here, the text will not be specified here. Text will be of size, you need to change this here. So it is, I shall give it as 1 and then I shall type it here. This circle, sorry, does not been changed. Here I shall change it to 1. So it is changed to 1 circle header. Okay, it is visible. Okay, this are this content. Here you can see this arrow. Okay, so this is dimension style you have modified. Now we can erase. I have checked the content of this. Now I shall delete this. And what are the dimension, what is the things we have modified. Similarly, you can add dimension, layers. I shall add some layers. L1 color, it is of green. L2 color, it is red. Okay, now I shall change this as, I shall save this as a template, that is DWT format. You need to save it. So drawing template. Okay, I shall name it as trial. Okay, and save. Here I have changed, here it is in meters. Am I right? Drawing, it is in meters. So I shall name it as meters. Okay, drawing template and color depend. Okay, it is given okay. So now I shall close this. Now I shall verify the template. So by opening a new document, new AutoCAD file. So here it is, the template file, it is open. We can select this trial document, open. This is our trial template, it is opening. We can check this by units. whether it is in meter. We can check here. So here it is in meters precision. We have already set this value, so the same it is open. Similarly, you can draw a line and you can check what are the modification we have made, whether it is available. So see here, dimension we have open we have we have selected this format. So this the same format what we have saved previously. So saved in the template. We can use the same template for repeated drawings. Thank you. If you like this video and if it is useful for you, you can uh, click the like button and share with your friends for your friends benefits. Thank you.